This is JioTV application. Here in the settings, you can see an option called App Language, that is the user interface language of JioTV. When you select this, you can see here multiple Indian languages are available along with English, but a main language Odia is not available. And as per the census of India, Odia has more users than Malayalam and Punjabi. But still then, Jio chose to keep Malayalam and Punjabi but removed Odia. I don't know why, so I kindly request Jio and Jio TV to please add Odia in this list. Please translate the application to Odia language. If you want, I can help you translating the strings, and please add Odia here in this list and make the application available in Odia user interface. I'm not talking about the TV channels, I'm talking about the application's user interface. I hope you understand, and please add Odia language.